Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is verb phrase 577. The verb phrase today is to rack up, and we got 5 meanings and 5 uses. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's go right to it. All right, here's the first one. To place billiards or pool balls in a rack to set up the balls for a game. Yeah, a game of pool. So we might say, rack up the balls, let's play a game. And of course we say rack because we put the balls in what looks like this. That's referred to as a rack. So you rack up the balls. Okay, number 2, to acquire a large number or amount of something. He racked up a lot of debt while he was in college, sure. He racked up a large collection of old albums over the years, yeah, sure. And number 4, to damage or wreck something. He racked up his new motorcycle in an accident, sure. Number 4, accumulate points, runs, goals to add to a score. We racked up a 10-run lead by the 7th inning. Good. Number 5, if a business racks up sales, profits, or losses, it makes a lot of them. That company racked up a lot of profits last quarter. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.